Hello, my name is Isaac. I want to quickly look at one of the uses of analysis of variance model, commonly called ANOVA. Uh, we have an example that has resulted in a data uh, as described in the example. The data gives the number of hours of relief provided by 5 different brands of headache tablets administered to 25 subjects experiencing fever. So we want to perform the analysis of variance and test the hypothesis at 5% level of significance that the mean number of hours of relief provided by these tablets is the same for all brands. As we have discussed in our previous lessons, we have looked at the structure of how we use analysis of variance to analyze effects from treatment. So we looked at it's a common practice to then expand the table by calculating the sums from all treatments, treatment A, B, C, D, and E. We first of all need to state our hypothesis, the null hypothesis denoted by H naught, indicating that the mean for all treatments are the same, they are equal. The alternative indicating that the mean from all treatments are not the same. So the first thing to do would be to calculate the sum of squares between treatments, and that is done by the formula as expressed. And then the next thing will be to calculate the sum of squares within as expressed in the formula. Then we also now calculate the sum of square totals. Take note of those formulas for between, within, and if you sum the expressions for the sum of square between and the sum of square within, we must arrive at the sum of square total as expressed. Then the calculation also follows. So it is very important that once we have these values, then we can now plug them into our analysis of variance table. And from there, we can determine our F ratio. And once we get our F ratio, the next thing is now to compare the F ratio with the F statistics. And so from our table, we see that our F table of 0.05 at 4,2 degrees of freedom respectively is 2.8661. Comparing that with our F ratio from the ANOVA table, we have that the F statistics 6.9 is greater than the F table 2.866. So we reject the null hypothesis that the mean number of hours of relief provided by the tablets is the same for all brands. And that is very important in our conclusion. We will consider more examples in other videos that can also help us to understand how we apply analysis of variance model to regression. I hope this makes sense. If this video has been helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe, and share with other contacts that they may find this video helpful. Thank you.